Barcelona is a city located in the northeastern region of Spain on the Mediterranean coast. It is the capital and largest city of the Catalonia region. Barcelona is known for its unique architecture, vibrant culture, delicious food, and beautiful beaches. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Barcelona. So please watch this video till the end. Sagrada Familia is a famous Roman Catholic basilica located in Barcelona. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city and is renowned for its unique architecture and intricate design. The basilica was designed by the Spanish architect Antoni Gaudí, who began work on the project in 1882. Gaudí worked on the Sagrada Familia for over 40 years until his death in 1926, and the building remains unfinished to this day. Barri Gòtic, also known as the Gothic Quarter, is a historic neighborhood in the center of Barcelona. It is known for its narrow, winding streets and its medieval architecture. The neighborhood has a rich history dating back to Roman times, and many of its buildings and structures reflect the influence of different cultures and time periods. Casa Milà, also known as La Pedrera, is a modernist building located in Barcelona. It was designed by the famous Catalan architect Antoni Gaudí and built between 1906 to 1912. The building was commissioned by the Milà family, who wanted a residential building that would stand out from the rest. La Rambla, also known as Las Ramblas, is a famous street in the heart of Barcelona. It stretches for about 1.2 kilometers from the Plaça de Catalonia down to the city's waterfront. The street is lined with trees and dotted with cafes, restaurants, shops, and street performers. La Rambla is a popular destination for visitors to Barcelona. Bogatell Beach is a popular beach located in the city of Barcelona. It is situated in the Sant Martí district. It is a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports like paddleboarding and windsurfing. The Cathedral of the Holy Cross and Saint Eulalia is a Gothic-style cathedral located in the Gothic quarter of Barcelona. It is also known as the Barcelona Cathedral or Museu. Construction of the cathedral began in the 13th century and it was not completed until the 15th century. The cathedral is dedicated to Saint Eulalia, a patron saint of Barcelona, who was martyred during the Roman period. Casa Batlló is a famous building located in the heart of Barcelona. It was designed by the renowned Catalan architect Antoni Gaudí and built between 1904 and 1906. The building is a masterpiece of the modernist style and it is considered one of the Gaudí's most iconic works. Casa Batlló is open to public and is a popular tourist attraction in Barcelona. Nou is a football stadium located in Barcelona. It is the home stadium of FC Barcelona, one of the most successful football clubs in the world. The stadium was inaugurated in 1957 and has a seating capacity of 99,354, making it the largest stadium in Europe and the third largest in the world. The most popular time to visit Barcelona is during the summer months June to August, when the weather is warm and sunny with average temperatures above 25 degrees centigrade. However, this is also the busiest and most expensive time to visit. If you prefer milder temperatures and fewer crowds, consider visiting in the spring March to May or fall September to November, when the temperatures range between 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. Please leave a comment about Barcelona and subscribe the channel to stay with us.